Hello YouTube, 2020 is almost over, but I'm continuing with the Parkside product review videos. Today I have for you this cordless glue gun. I got it from Lidl, it cost only 35 euros. It comes with 2 amps per hour battery and a charger. The unit has a 3 years of warranty and we have 3 glue sticks included in the package. So let's open it. We have the standard Parkside briefcase. Now, the first thing that catches my eye is this yellow warning label. And I believe it's suggesting not to pull out the glue sticks from the glue gun. We have the charger, the 3 glue sticks, a manual, and of course the glue gun with the battery. The battery is fully charged. A rubberized handle. We have some rubberized protector on the nozzle, and I think it's removable. Yes, it's removable, and here we can remove the nozzle also. The on-off button to turn on the heating unit and the LED lamp, we have to press and hold for 3 seconds the button. Now the unit is heating, the LED lamp is working. If you want to turn it off, you have to press and hold the button for several seconds, like this. Now only the heating element is working. If you want to turn off the unit completely, press briefly the button and the unit is off. And this is how the disassembled unit looks like. We have the battery terminals, the LED, a micro switch over here, the trigger, and this is how the feeding mechanism is realized, but I really don't like it. It's made from some cheap plastic levers and I don't think it will last long. Here we have the control board. It's manufactured 2019. A rubberized washer, a rubberized washer again. This part over here is rubberized, and this is the aluminium body of the heating element. In fact, the heating element is this thing over here that is clamped to the aluminium body, but I'm not sure if I will be able to reattach it if I remove the clamp. So for now I will leave it like this. Pretty simple design. Now, why should you not remove a half-used glue stick from your glue gun? Firstly, if your gun is hot and running, you might get some glue dripping on your hand, and you really don't want that to happen. And second, if you try to pull out a half-used glue stick from a cold gun, you might damage the mechanism itself, simply because the glue stick is cold and it's glued to the heating mechanism. Something that I don't like in the Parkside briefcase First, the glue gun is sitting like this. If for some reason you have a half-used glue stick like this, you won't be able to put the glue gun in the briefcase, simply because the glue stick is protruding out of its borders, and this is a design error. The unit is fully assembled and working. I won't be testing it how it melts the glue sticks, simply because I believe Parkside are fully capable of producing a tool as simple as the glue gun, and second, because I want to be able to put it back in the briefcase. I have already told you the issue with the protruding glue sticks, but do believe me, when it's working, it's heating extremely fast. Basically, that's all from me, guys. Thumbs up and subscribe.